Hi, I'm Jim Curtis, Holiday Valley Mountain Operations Manager. We're going to give you a little update today where we're at with a new high-speed Yodeler quad chairlift. Top and bottom concrete has been completed. 4 out of the 7 towers have been completed. The other 3 will be completed next week, and all the concrete will be finished onto setting towers and steel. The warming hut has been put down on this new foundation. We're in the process of getting ready to pour the basement floor, put the in-floor heating in. The new haul rope has arrived for the lift. All we're lacking is some electrical parts and some chairs. Everything else is on site. All the towers have been assembled and are staged in the parking lot, ready to truck up onto the hill. As you can see behind me, we've started setting steel at the bottom terminal. All the heavy machinery has been installed, so all we have left with the bottom is the skins, windows, roof, the underskin to enclose it, and then run the wires, electrical. When we're all finished with the bottom terminal, we will repeat the process at the top. There's a mirror image of the bottom terminal that goes on top. So once we're completed down here, we'll move to the top. The lift house, we have electrical controls inside of it. So now we can build a roof, put the windows, doors, and finish the lift house. All the old Yodeler lift has been shipped to Catamount. Once we finish here at the bottom, we're going to the top. We look forward to getting the top completed. Once the top and bottom have been enclosed, then we will set towers, cross arms, and get ready to pull the haul rope. And that should be completed, I don't know when.
It's okay.
You can cut that.
One more time.
Yeah, that sounded like crap.
Yeah,